If you want to know how to make this delicious buttermilk vegan waffle, then keep watching this video. Let's get into it. So to make this delicious buttermilk vegan waffles, you're definitely going to need the Bob's Red Mill spelt flour. This is whole grain. It's absolutely delicious. This recipe is so easy and simple to make. You're gonna be so amazed. So let's get into all the things that you're going to need. The first thing that you'll be needing is a bowl, and to my bowl I'm gonna do all my dry ingredients. I'm gonna be using 1 1/4 cup of flour. To that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So 1, 2. I am adding a pinch of salt, and this is my Himalayan salt. You guys know I love to cook with it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. Hit that little red button that says subscribe. You will not miss another video. And that is it for the dry ingredients, and I'm just going to mix everything together. Now I am going to add the wet ingredients. And I just throw everything together, although you can mix it separately if you choose to do so. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To that, I am adding 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. So this is my maple syrup. That's 1 teaspoon. And another teaspoon of maple syrup. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and the coconut oil that I'm going to be using is the triple filtered coconut oil, and this is organic. So go ahead and put your coconut oil in there, and just go ahead and just mix everything together. You could do wet ingredients separately and dry ingredients separately. The final ingredients, so you're going to need 1 1/4 cups of milk, and this is non-dairy milk. I am using the almond milk, so that was 1, and this is 1/4. So 1 1/4 cups of milk. Go ahead and just mix it all together. Just keep mixing. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. If you love weight loss tips and healthy recipes, then this is the perfect place for you to be. Thing together, and I want to get a nice consistency for these delicious vegan waffles. You're gonna love them. These buttermilk waffles are so delicious. I'm telling you, so easy to make. You're gonna be so surprised of how delicious it tastes. Your kids, your family, they won't even know that this is vegan. I make this for my kids all the time. They don't know the difference. If you just give it to them, they won't know the difference. Trust me, okay? All right, so this is the consistency we are going for. It looks absolutely delicious, and it's easy to make. And like I said, here we go. See, that's your consistency. You need nothing else for this. This is my waffle maker, and I was making waffles this morning, so spray it with some coconut oil. And then I'm just gonna take it and just go ahead and put it on there. So let's check on our waffles. Woo! All right, so that's our waffle. Let's just remove it and plate it out. Remove. And I'm just gonna eat this big, delicious one. And then what I'm gonna have with that is blueberries. Look at that. Syrup. Yeah. I love it. This is what it looks like. Here it is, your delicious waffle. It is dairy free and it is vegan, and it's absolutely delicious. Give it to your family and they will never know the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and dig right into this delicious waffle right now. So I'll see you guys next time on Maxinescorner. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. And I'll see you guys next time. And what? Stay healthy.